It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
All right, tech lovers, this next segment is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming with a device that will elevate your home entertainment experience, the Roku Premiere HD/4K/HDR Streaming Media Player. So, what makes the Roku Premiere so special? Well, let me break it down for you. First, the Roku Premiere offers access to a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV options, including Roku Originals and over 200 free live TV channels on the Roku channel. That's right, hundreds of channels at your fingertips, all in one place. So if you're thinking about upgrading your home entertainment system, why not consider the Roku Premiere? It's affordable, versatile, and designed to provide a premium streaming experiences.
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.